The amendments that deal with criminal procedure are the 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendments.
The 4th Amendment is also known as the Privacy Amendment. It prohibits unreasonable search and seizure. A search warrant is a legal document that allows police to seek and obtain evidence from suspects' property. The 4th Amendment is used in the Mapp v. Ohio case in 1962, where the police did not have a search warrant. The following clip shows a reenactment of this case.
What are you doing in my house?
Miss Matt, this is Captain Donegan. I'm Officer Farish. We are here to search the premises for the Cleveland City bomber. We have reason to believe he is in your household.
A bomber in my house?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, there ain't no bomber in my house.
Well, ma'am, we need to enter your house. We need to look for this bomber.
You don't have a warrant. You ain't entering my house without a warrant. Oh, my Lord, I'm gonna just call. Hello? Yes, I have 2 men outside my house saying that they want to come in, saying that they want to search my house for some bomber.
Well, do they have a warrant?
No, they don't have a warrant. They didn't show me no warrant. They ain't got no warrant.
Then don't let them in your house.
Then I won't let them in my house. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
What are we going to do? We kind of need a warrant here.
Yeah, I know. I totally forgot we needed that.
Well, I got an idea. I got this, and I got some toilet paper right here.
In your pocket? Why do you have toilet paper?
Just in case I had an accident. Come on. These things happen. We'll just write the warrant on this.
All right,
here we go.
Yeah, that should work.
Yeah.
She'll never know the difference.
Yeah. She's not that smart. All right, here we go. Let's present her the warrant. Yeah, here we go.
Didn't I tell you y'all couldn't come in here with
Ma'am,
no
we have a
warrant?
warrant. We have a warrant to search the premises.
A warrant?
Yeah.
That's a warrant right there.
Ma'am, we gotta enter the house now.
Ma'am, we are
This is
coming in.
before business.
Get out.
The 5th Amendment protects against a variety of things, such as double jeopardy, due process of law, and you cannot be forced to testify against yourself. The following clip shows what happens when the police do not recite their Miranda rights to the criminal.
The department was forced to drop the charges because you forgot to read him his Miranda rights. What possible reason is there for not doing the only thing you have to do when arresting someone?
I did read him his right. I did a version of that.
Do you even know the Miranda rights?
Yes.
Let's hear him then.
You got a lot of stuff to do.
Mandatory sentences followed by a question for a total of 57 words.
Okay. It obviously starts with you have the right to remain silent. I know you've heard this before, and then I think it sounds something like well, the thing. You have the right to remain an attorney.
Did you say that you have the right to be an attorney?
You do have the right to be an attorney if you want to.
Where were you?
The 6th Amendment protects our right to a trial by jury, to hear all witnesses, a speedy trial, and to provide you with a lawyer if you cannot afford one. The following clip shows the Gideon versus Wainwright case. Gideon asks for a lawyer, but is denied by the court.
State of Florida plaintiff versus Clarence Earl Gideon defendant. What says the state? You ready to go to trial in this case?
State is ready, Your Honor.
Defense ready?
I'm not ready, Your Honor.
Why aren't you ready?
I don't have a lawyer.
Why not? Didn't you know your case was set for trial today?
Yes, sir, I knew.
Why then did you not secure counsel and be prepared to go to trial?
I don't have the money. I don't have any money. I want you to appoint somebody that'll represent me.
Come close up, Mr. Gideon. I can't understand you. I don't know what you said, and the reporter didn't understand you either. Come on. what you said again so as we can understand you, please.
I said I want you to appoint a lawyer to represent me in this trial.
Mr. Gideon, I'm sorry, but I cannot appoint counsel to represent you in this case. Under the laws of the state of Florida, the only time the court can appoint counsel to represent a defendant is when that person has been charged with a capital offense.
I'm entitled to a lawyer.
Let the record show that the defendant asked the court to appoint counsel to represent him in the trial. The court denied the request, informed the defendant that the only time the court could appoint counsel to represent a defendant was in cases where the defendant was charged with a capital offense. Now, I ask the jury if you will give Mr. Gideon here the same fair trial and consideration, since he is not represented by counsel, that you would if he were represented. Now, Mr. Gideon, you can go on back to your seat now.